Okay, let's come over and look at CL next. Now, CL, let's just go to the 4-hour chart. What I'm looking for is, after whatever this is has done, and probably after another pullback, this to start to accelerate up in this 3 here next at sub-micro degree and take out this resistance zone on the 4-hour chart. So I'm looking for a move to 75.89 or higher next in CL. And where I think we're at is, I thought, keep looking at this diagonal and thinking it's done. The push up this morning came up to the 138.2 fib. I think we're still in this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we're going to get another 2 back. And if we do, these are going to extend beyond where I've got them on the chart, which is exactly what we want to see if we're going to go all the way up to 91 area in CL, which is the 123.6 fib on the daily and weekly charts, which is what I'm looking for. All of this projects in any event beyond the 77 area, which is the 1.0 fib that was the original target on those larger time frames. So I think all this is an extension of this nano degree, in actual fact, wave 1. So what I'm looking for now is for this to pull back into this zone here next, and that's between 68.96 and 69.61 for the 2 related to this 1. If it wants higher again, because we've hit the 138.2 here, there's the 1618 and the 1764. So while we're below 73.15, I'm just counting this as an extension of the next 1 up and expecting a 2 back before we then start to get up in the 3 of 3 for those much higher levels next in CL. And then meanwhile, on the day trading side, we're just again, I was looking actually for this move here. So it came down off this morning's high. That looked like a 5-wave diagonal to me. I was looking for this to come up higher. It didn't quite make it, and we've dropped again. So the pattern's slightly unclear on this micro 3-minute day trading chart. I will look for entries after the open in CL to see if we can start to scalp it both ways today. NG. So NG's now taken out this peak. I'm not sure, has it taken out? Yeah. NG, I'm going to need to come back and look at after the open. We've now taken out this high, albeit on a spike and reversal. So this too is not valid here. My inclination here in NG, if I go to the daily chart, is that this is simply, we've got the 1 down, A, B, C. This is just going to come up and hit that 886 fib back. If we take this out, then I think this B wave's not done. But I will relook at that between now and a bit later on today, and then we can look. I'm not worried about the DGAS positioning because, as I've said, when we took the second half, we're going to get a pullback that will put us in profit in any event, no matter what the count in NG.